when it comes to power outages. Only about 10,000 customers affected right now. Far fewer than you would expect from a storm like this, but it's not over. ABC's Lindsay Davis is in Hartford, Connecticut with more on that side of the story. Good morning, Lindsay.
Good morning, Robin. Yeah, we're at a Hartford Power substation where we have some good news and bad news. The good news, like you said, only about 10,000 people without power. Or actually, I should say, it's not as widespread as initially feared. But we do have those 10,000 people without power. 8,000 of them right in Massachusetts.